it's Elaine. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, you're welcome here as well. And if you want to join the family, go ahead and subscribe. And if you want to follow my life, go ahead and follow my socials. But guys, do you guys notice anything missing on my face? I don't have AEGYO SAL. So many of you guys out there might struggle drawing AEGYO SAL because it looks so unnatural and stuff. But today I'm gonna show you guys how I make it natural. For those that have AEGYO SAL, you guys are blessed because that makes you, in Korean standard, that makes you look youthful and like younger. That's why like all K-pop idols, like they always have super fatty under eye. So let's go ahead and get into my daily AEGYO SAL routine. Well, the first most important part is to choose the right shading color. And today I'm gonna be using this ETUDE shading color right here. This is kind of more orangey than I would want, but it's still a pretty good like shadow color for me. So I'll be using this one. And then I'm gonna need a flat brush, or like these would work as well. First thing I like to do is to powder up the bottom lid right here. It doesn't like crease or get dragged. And also it will be longer lasting. Perfect, it is set, it is matted. And for the placement, I'm gonna go like this. Like your eye has a natural crease that it will give you, and that should be the one that you should follow. Because if you like 욕심부려, you want it bigger than like what you actually have, it's gonna look unnatural. So just gonna get boom boom, go ahead and outline that. And if you see, I don't like to fill in the beginning part, but I just kind of like leave maybe like 2-3 millimeters in the front, and then I start it. For me, I like to end it right where my eyeball ends because I have a whole lot of like makeup going on here. So like to balance it out. So when I don't have like eye makeup on, I like to cut it a little bit shorter. And I wanted the darkest like right here. From here to here. And then from here, I'm just naturally gonna like blend it and shade it out. To have one eye done and one eye not. You might say like, girl, that looks like dark circles. No. No. But for some people, this just might be really hard, like controlling the brush or like the amount. And I have those rough days too. So on those days, I like to use the double eyelid liner. This is a really like light color. You can like barely see it. Since this is a thin brush, it's so easy. I just... Very natural. The color, you could build it up as well. So yeah. If you struggle, you could just use this one. Or actually in Korea, there are AEGYO SAL making pens where like one side is a shade color and one side is like a glitter. I did order one recently, so I'll show you guys a review on that very soon too. So now let's go on with the glitter, which is like my favorite part. But choosing the glitter is so hard because there's so many shades. There's so many types of glitters, like thick glitter, like thin glitter, like So I want to tell you to choose something that is similar to your skin color, but a little bit lighter and something that goes well along with your eyeshadow color. If you don't know what I'm talking about, let me like swatch it for you. Okay, this is what I mean by the thickness. If you see, this one is the thickest glitter, and then medium, and then this is very small glitter. And I don't recommend too much of the thicker glitters. I do recommend more of like the medium and the small glitters. Although the big glitter is so pretty, I would only recommend this if you're performing or something like that because it could look very unnatural and very flashy. So to be a little bit more natural, since we're doing natural AEGYO SAL, I would recommend more of the small glitter. And so for the glitter, I am going to use this one right here. I am very sorry that I'm using this palette, but this is my favorite palette. And I don't have any other glitter that I genuinely like out of all my palettes that I have. But unfortunately, this one is discontinued and it's also from Brazil. So I'm very sorry about that. So this is the color. It is very goldy, similar to a skin color, yellowy. And this is what the glitters look like, very small. But since I'm kind of lighter, I'm gonna mix these two actually. And I'm gonna apply from the middle so that this part is the most poppin'. And then from here, I'm gonna blend it inward. And then with the excess, just blend the outside. And ba-bam chicka bow bow. Ah! Ah! That looks kind of crazy. The difference goes crazy. It's really popping off. Like, no fat, yes fat. Well, some of you guys might prefer this one because it's just more 깔끔해, like simple, not too like glowy. But there are days when I would not want it. But today's not that day. But honestly, the glitter is kind of too much right now. But then it's just to show you, you know what I mean? Yeah, it'll get natural over time. And usually I like to kind of connect this with the inner corner as well. Okay, now that we see the difference, let's go ahead and do the other side as well. Okay, I am done with it. What do you guys think? Ah! My face looks so much shorter. I look so much younger. I know, I already look young. And like my eye size, it's like my eyes look so big. But that is it for my video. If you liked it and it was helpful, go ahead and give me a like. And if you have any questions or video recommendations, tell me in the comment section down below. And I'll see you guys next time.